If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long list of completed tasks cluttering up your Asana projects, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to tidy up your workspace by hiding finished work. By the end, you'll know not just how to filter out completed tasks, but also how to make your favorite view stick, saving you time and helping you stay focused on what actually matters. All right, let's jump in. First, open up either the specific project you want to work in or your own My Tasks list if you're aiming to clean up your personal to-dos. You can do this by selecting the project from the sidebar or clicking My Tasks from your homepage. It helps to think of this view as your digital workspace. Just like decluttering your physical desk, setting up Asana to show only the tasks you care about makes everything less distracting. Once you're inside your project or task list, look towards the top of your screen for the filter icon. This usually looks like a small funnel, but sometimes you'll see a drop-down menu labeled All Tasks. It's like a sorting tool. You're telling Asana exactly what you want to see. If you can't spot it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's tucked next to other quick options. So just take a moment and scan around near the top section of your list. Click on that filter icon or the drop-down. Now, you'll see some choices. What you want here is Incomplete Tasks, or sometimes simply Incomplete. By selecting this option, Asana instantly updates the list, hiding every task that's already been checked off with that green check mark. Imagine closing the cover on finished assignments. This helps keep only your active responsibilities visible, reducing mental clutter and helping you focus on what's next. Now, here's a really useful tip. If you like the way this filtered view looks and want it to be your default setup every time you or your whole team open this project, you can save it. Look for the Save button in the top right corner, or sometimes it's hidden under the Us menu. Those three little dots. Click there and choose Save View. This locks in your filtered setup so you don't have to reapply the same filter manually every day. If you're a project admin or have the right permissions, Asana might also let you select Save View for everyone. That way, every team member gets the exact same clutter-free experience. No one has to repeat these steps, making things smoother for the whole team. You might be thinking, but what if I need to see a completed task again? No problem. The great thing about Asana's filtering is that it's reversible, just like flicking a light switch back on. Anytime you want to peek at what's finished, just return to the same filter menu and change your selection to All Tasks or Completed Tasks. Instantly, everything pops back into view so you can review, reference, or celebrate your progress. And there you have it. Cleaning up your task list in Asana only takes a minute, but it can have a big impact on your productivity and peace of mind. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or need help with a specific Asana feature, just drop a comment below. I always check them and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.